Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, I have this bathroom here in my house, and the countertop of the bathroom had become dull. It was looking old, yellowish and dull. So I got this product from Amazon. It's called Rustoleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. It says smooth porcelain-like finish in just a few hours. And it also says ultra durable, hard, okay? Gloss white. So it has two containers. This round container is the base coat, and this is part A. It says it's part A product, and this is part B, the base. So what you are supposed to do is, once you receive it, you mix part A into part B. Pour part A into part B, stir it with a stick nicely, and then apply it to the surface with a brush or roller. We use brush because we didn't want to run out of the paint. Of course, before you paint the surface, you must clean it nicely. Must clean it and remove any debris and make sure it's dry. And so we basically painted it, and it came out quite good. Okay, so you can see how it looks now. It's brilliant, it's white. And this is, because this product is called Tub and Tile, we had tile also here in the shower. See, this is the bathtub, okay? And the bath tiles also had become, the ground had some dark spots, and it looked old. So I basically painted this also, okay? And it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful because, as you can see, before we painted, we also removed the old caulk from the edges. Remove old caulk and put new caulk, and then we painted it. And we painted even the soap container. You see the soap stand. And of course, before we painted, we put tape along the edges so that it's easy to paint, and it does not overlap with the other surface. So it's a beautiful product. It's very hard. I can see it's very hard, and it's supposed to be very waterproof. Of course, you're not supposed to soak too much water into the tub, but for regular use as a bathtub, this is a very good product. Okay, so I am very happy with this product. It's only about $35 for this this box, and it comes with all the instructions. See, the box has all the instructions saying supplies needed. Okay, in two languages, English and the other language. It says cleaning and surface preparation. Okay, how to prepare the surface. It says bleach, abrasive cleaner, and so on. Okay, and then for poorly vented areas, makes you a room fan, and then paint application, and then clean up. Basically, you can clean up with paint thinner or 100% isopropyl alcohol. But of course, when you apply this, because it has what do you call epoxy. Once you mix these two base coat with the other coat, it gives a stench, very strong smell. So what you're supposed to do is, before you apply, you must open all the windows and turn the fans on so that the air circulates. And you should also be wearing mask, okay, for your protection of your lungs, because you don't want to have a beautiful surface and a damaged lung. Of course, I'm not trying to scare you, It's not going to damage your lungs so much, but just better be safe than sorry. Okay? So I'm very happy with this product. It's because I'm going to sell this house. I wanted it to look nice and not too old. So hopefully the buyers will like it and they will buy it. Okay? So please subscribe to my channel and spread the word. Okay? Write your comments. Okay? Thank you. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.